Speaking ko. Ay, sorry I know how to speak in English, but I get pressured when I need to.
It's okay, it's okay. Basic Tagalog.
Say, bawal
Bawal,
umihi.
bawal,
Umihi.
mihi, mihi,
Mi.
hi,
Dito.
tito.
Oh, yes.
Oh, what is in English?
I am handsome.
Ooh. Handsome.
Yes.